Hi, John here with the Lens Pal, and today we're going to show you what fun you can have with colored gels and black and white editing. So what we have is a simple two light setup, one to camera right, one to camera left. Each has a small beauty dish on them and each has a different colored gel. Now for the actual equipment we've got Profoto B1 500 Air lights, as they're nice and quick to set up and they produce great quality light. We've got Profoto beauty dishes on each. One is a metallic, more traditional circular beauty dish and the other is a collapsible sort of octabox style beauty dish. And each of them has a creative gel from this kit that we recently added to our collection. The kit itself contains a wide variety of creative gels, and we also have corrective gels for your CTO and half CTO needs. The only thing we've done special about the lighting is to gel each light with a different color. One we've gelled red, one we've gelled blue. This keeps them kind of far apart on the color spectrum. As far as camera settings go, the only thing you need to do with your camera, aside from correctly exposing the image, is to make sure that you are shooting in RAW.
Thanks to Kelvin, I now have new headshots to choose from. This is the one I'm going to use. Before we convert to black and white, however, I'm just going to take a look at it in color. In Lightroom, with this gel setup, the red slider is going to act like a shadow slider on the right side of the image. The orange will be midtones and yellows will be highlights. On the left side of the image, purple will be for the shadows and blue will be for the midtones. Notice where the colors meet is where magenta comes into play. There's also a hint of red in the same area. Okay, now we're going to use the black and white panel. The sliders here are going to correspond with the same areas we saw in the color panel. So reds will be the shadows on the right, purples will be the shadows on the left, etc. Now it's just a case of playing with the sliders to get an image you're happy with. Keep an eye out for that magenta patch, as things can start to look a little weird where the lights meet. Pushing any slider too far in either direction might result in some interesting looks. If you're not sure what color an area is, you can always jump back to the color panel as a reminder. You can still make adjustments in the basic panel, such as white point and shadows, etc. There, now I'm going to create a virtual copy so I have this version of the picture saved. By switching between the two you can see the difference, and I think you'll agree, it's fairly dramatic.